Hey there, and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you've ever wondered how to manage your privacy settings in the Roblox mobile app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to change who can see your social network on Roblox using your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, choose Account Info from the list of available options. Now, scroll down until you find the Who Can See Your Social Network section. Finally, tap it and choose the visibility level you prefer from the list. Your change will be saved automatically and updated instantly. That's all it takes to control your social visibility on Roblox. Make sure to check other privacy settings for a safer experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.